Europe's largest motorcycle brand, KTM, is facing a financial crisis like never before, with 2.7 billion euros in debt, unsold bikes piling up, and layoffs affecting hundreds. The future of KTM hangs in the balance. Let's break down what's happening. Welcome to Fixed Ride Explorer, and today we're diving into KTM's financial troubles and what it means for riders like us. We'll talk about the numbers, how it got this bad, and what it could mean for bikes we love. No fluff, just the facts as I know them today, and everything you need to know. Let's start with the facts. KTM is 2.7 billion in debt. Yes, billion. They've got over 1,600 creditors, 265,000 unsold bikes, and an entire year's worth of production just sitting there. This surplus has caused massive cash flow problems. KTM has even struggled to pay wages, including holiday bonuses, and have had to announce 750 layoffs already, with potentially more to come. Now, how did this all happen? First, overproduction. In 2023, KTM built too many bikes despite the slowing global demand. It's like making sandwiches for a party where half the people didn't turn up. Next, rising production costs and supply chain issues made things worse. Materials got more expensive, parts were harder to get, meaning higher costs for every single bike they made. And finally, poor forecasting. KTM didn't predict the drop in demand and their inventory ballooned. A mistake for any manufacturer. So what did this mean for you and I who own a KTM or want to buy one? For now, spare parts and servicing should remain unaffected, but if KTM's restructuring fails, it could impact new models and even long-term brand support. And let's not forget the MotoGP. KTM has committed to keeping their racing program alive, which is great for their brand, but it may strain the finances even more. The future of KTM depends on their restructuring plan. They may sell off assets like Husqvarna just to stay afloat. If they succeed, KTM to stabilise and continue making the bikes we love. But if they fail, it could mean the end of KTM as an independent company, or worse. We're going to come to a conclusion now. I don't want this video to be long. I just wanted to give you the facts of exactly where KTM is at this moment of the day that I'm releasing this video. It is a dire situation that KTM are in, but let's not forget that KTM has been a leader in the motorcycling industry for decades. And while this situation is serious, it's not over yet. It really isn't over yet. Lots of things can happen. But I'd love to hear what you think. So please let me know in the comments what you think is going to happen with KTM. Can KTM make a comeback? Or are we seeing the end of an era? It'd be really good to hear your thoughts. I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to wish you goodbye. Please do like, please do subscribe, because those two things make me make more videos. And if you want me to follow this story further, let me know. I will. But unless you tell me, I won't know. So leave a comment. Thank you very much.